How to fix _unsafe_ port error on Chrome when browsing to unsafe ports. I'm getting this error when connecting to a web server on port 6666, http://myserver:6666/ Error 312, net:/unsafe_ port, unknown error. Is there an easy way to resolve this without rebuilding Chrome from source?
On Windows, right-click on Chrome shortcut, Properties. Then append, explicitly allowed ports equals 30 to shortcut target. Example. C:*ma. Resource from here.
You may be able to turn this off in Google Chrome, but you do so at your own risk. There's actually a good security reason why Chrome blocks these ports. Basically, you open your browser up to Bing, an open proxy for attackers to use to attack other services on your network. For more information, why does Chrome consider some ports unsafe?
You can explicitly allow ports just like the other answers state, but for most cases the problem is easier to solve by just not using the restricted ports. Source. So instead of 6666 you could use 6060 and you wouldn't have this problem.
On Mac you can create an app launching Chrome with parameters mentioned in other answers using Automator built-in Apple application. Launch Automator. As type of document choose Application. Add action run shell script. Replace placeholder cat script in this action with /applications/google/chrome.app/content/macOS/google/chrome explicitly allowed ports equals 5000, 6000, 7000. Save the created app as something like Google Chrome with allowed unsafe ports in your application folder. Use this new app instead of Google Chrome directly. Optional, replace default icon of the created app, Automator's robot, with Chrome's using this method. Note, upvote that answer if you like it. Source, this URL.
This is sorry.